we are back for our second video ever. I am not here with Auburn. I am here with my friend Rin.
Hi guys.
In which today we are going to be unboxing the NERF Split Strike. Rin, he just got it today, and we got scissors, and these are hair cutting scissors. Go get different scissors.
Yeah,
okay.
These are the only ones.
Oh, here. So Rin, you can just talk to everybody else while I cut this.
Hey guys, I've been wanting to be in a YouTube channel since I've been like about 2 years old. That's how long. But now I'm finally in one.
Well, Rin, just keep talking because I just need to keep cutting this because.
Well, I can do that.
No, it's okay.
I know where some tape is that in this. But I know.
Here's the manual. You can just show that to them, but I don't think anybody cares about NERF manuals because they're pretty useless.
Yes. But it actually is pretty helpful.
Yeah, because
when you don't know how to use a NERF gun, you can use it. You can use this to see.
But me and Rin know how to use NERF guns because we've been playing with them for a super long time.
Yes, we have.
Okay, so I'm about to get the bullets out. Yep, just got the bullets from the Split Strike.
You can't see it very well. It's upside down right now. It's upside down. Okay. I'm done finishing with this. Bryson, you wanted me to come with you and ride with you, right? Mm-hmm. But you should have waited until you seen this, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay, so, okay, I almost got this.
Showing the manual to them. It's fold that up. That will be that kind of. Well, sometimes it will be pretty much helpful.
Okay, so I think I got
I can get this. Okay.
Now I just gotta get this part. Just fold that, and then just rip, and then rip.
I'm getting one part out.
Okay, so I think
we got the first one out.
There's the first one, and I got the second one out.
Okay.
Which I've actually never seen a split strike before.
Wait, I know how to connect these. I know how to.
I'll connect them.
Okay, just
do this. Jeez. And then pull it back.
Do you want to test them out?
Yeah, right here. Here, let me grab
just one.
One. Yep. Here, no, give me all four. So it comes with four. How many bullets?
1, 2, 1.
Whoa! Now that's pretty powerful. It shot 3. And
okay, it comes with 8 bullets.
It comes with 8 bullets.
Okay.
The shooting is kind of a delay because I just pulled the trigger. It took a while, so not a NERF gun that I would get, but some people do like it.
But it's still pretty cool, right? Since it's like you can put them together.
The the shot for the white one, it's a little off because you pull the trigger, and if you pull the trigger, it goes like 2 seconds off. So, in which this is our.
It did it for me. It didn't do it.
Well, I guess this is the end. So
we'll have to say bye.
Bye.